Figured I'd answer a couple of questions that come up after owning Carl, the space robot, for about a month now and playing with him. So Carl's pretty cool. Here's what happens when you turn him on.
Mika Lila, I'm Carl the Space Warrior.
Right on. So now you're going to turn on your controller and the robot at the same time. They're going to pair up automatically. You don't have to do anything. And now whenever you push a button, for example, turn left, there he goes. Turn right. And the way that he does that is he's got wheels on his feet, and the wheels will turn. Sorry, guy. The wheels will turn in relation to your control, and then he'll move along according to what you're commanding him to do. Now you can also wiggle the body, which is so fun. So unlike a remote control car or something that really only does one or two controls, this guy, you can move each arm independently, up and down. There's his other arm. You can move his arms in and out. Now you can also go into a program mode. I'll program him.
Action programming begins.
Up, 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 down, 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 go.
Perform the program.
So I told him to lift up his arm and his other arm, and then put his arm down and his other arm down. It's so fun.
Action programming begins.
Now he'll open his arms up, he'll go up, and then he'll go down, and then he'll close.
Perform the program.
So each of those buttons that I push, it remembers, and then you can have a lot of fun programming movements or collaboration in a video. I don't want him to fall off the table, so I'm just going to turn him off and say thanks for watching. Hopefully this answers some questions. It's so much fun. It's from Ruko, and it's Carl, the space robot. Great gift idea, or maybe get two, because you're going to have a lot of fun with this thing. Hope this helps.